Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a photo on Telegram at just the right moment, maybe for a birthday surprise or a timely reminder, Telegram's Schedule Send feature is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you the simple, updated steps to schedule a photo to send automatically in any Telegram chat. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Navigate to the chat, group, or channel where you want your photo to be delivered later. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Telegram scheduling feature works across all of them. Next, it's time to select your photo. Tap the paperclip icon near the message box to open your gallery. Choose the photo you want to send. If you want to schedule multiple photos, you can select more than one at this stage by tapping the small circle on each image. Once you've selected your photo or photos, don't just tap the send button. Instead, press and hold the send button, the paper plane icon in the bottom right corner. This will open a menu with a few options. From the menu, select Schedule Message. Now, you'll see a calendar and clock interface pop up. Here, you can pick the exact date and time you want your photo to be sent. Take a moment to double-check your selection so your message arrives precisely when you want it to. After you've set the date and time, tap the button that says Send on Chosen Time. That's it. Your photo is now scheduled and will be delivered automatically at the time you picked. You can even review or manage your scheduled messages by tapping the Scheduled Messages icon in the chat. With this feature, you'll never miss the perfect moment to send a photo again. Try it out and make your Telegram messages smarter and more timely than ever.